There's some pinky baby butt dead. Hey guys, look at where we are. We're down here on the Tennessee River, man. The TVA bridge right there before you is now fixed, and we were able to drive over it. I cannot wait to walk it. Maybe tomorrow morning. Today is Saturday, May the 23rd, and it is beautiful. It is great to be a doggy walker when you got the pinky baby dude being beautiful every day. Yeah, guys, you take a look at these mountains. Oh, all the way above me. That's my age. Hang on, selfie stick. Zoom. Yep, they finally fixed whatever they were working on. Your pinky baby dude being beautiful. Yeah, guys, take a look at this mountain. You just walk right behind it. Mage. And there's the Tennessee River. So beautiful. All lush and green already. Man, oh man. Stuff didn't take no time to sprout. So guys, peace and love. Thank you so much for coming back to Jungle Hop Guy on YouTube. There's some family up here, so I have to switch hands to get the pinky baby dude. Pink, come on, honey. Out here on a beautiful afternoon. Oh man, check that out, guys. Look at that big boy. Yeah, right there. Over there, man. All the way around. So it's a beautiful day, guys. Thank you very much for coming back to Jungle Hop Guy on YouTube. I'm down here on the Tennessee River, currently in Colbert County, because I have crossed over the bridge in the state of Alabama, just south of Florence. Whoa, pink. Okay, yeah, I was maybe lose my balance. Thought for sure she was gonna bolt. I know the birds down here are gargantuan, so yeah. Let's get back to the Mother Nature beauty, because there ain't none in this screen so far with me. This is awesome. Look at all the goose and the gaggle. That's called Patton Island, named after General. No, wait. Yeah, Governor Patton. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. Everyone just having a beautiful walk down here by the waterfall is what we are all seeking. Timber, anyone? Ooh-wee. Going all the way up. We do it. Oh, and there's the first breeze. Oh, it feels so good in the shadow here. You'll see the sun is just barely behind the edge of that tree. It's probably now about 4 o'clock, maybe 4:30 or so. Man. It is beautiful. Look, there's another one flying away. Oh boy, I just blurred them out. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that's no good. Just a beautiful afternoon down here. I mean, they really cleared out a lot of deadwood over here, buddy. Isn't there a television show called Deadwood? Obviously, I've never seen it. Has to watch for the currents. You shouldn't even be down that close. Oh man, there's the waterfall too. Here's the dangerous water sign. And there's the pinky butt dead being beautiful, because I'm big. I got off of work today about 3 o'clock. I had an excellent day at work, man. I got to work outside. So cool. I was security guarding the 50% off racks. Man, oh man. And everybody was so nice. Somebody even gave me a breakfast sandwich. Woo-wee. Look at the water, babies. You ready for a drink? Ready for a big drink? Man. All the way far and away. Pink, no. I don't want you. Pink, hey. Pink, here. There you go, baby. Oh, just so beautiful. Man, look at that waterfall. I don't think I remember that one. You doing, Pink? You okay with that, baby? Easy, honey. I know it's kind of slippery. It's okay. Man, that is just mage. You know, that stuff is just shipped up through the bottom of the earth. Man, isn't that just beautiful, man? Wow. Yeah, I kind of think this might be a new one. I don't recall seeing this one. I'm going to have to go back to look at my own vlogs. Ooh. Mage, dude. Be careful when you come down here, man. Way above me, right there. This kind of swoops on down here, goes down that way, right there. Ooh. Pink. Why don't we find a different? Almost. Here you go, Pink. Here, Pink. Hey, Pink. No, you telling me no? Here, look. Play right here. See, there you go. That's all you need to do. Oh, yeah. That's a pretty big chew. Yeah, they kind of turned that into like a pool. That's been different. Yeah, that's kind of new.
Yeah.
There you go, Pink. There's what we want, Dad. Oh boy, look what Pinky got now, Dad. It's my own pool. Oh boy. Woohoo! That's good stuff, huh? Oh boy, Dad. Feels good on the nose, huh? Feels good on the nose. Woo-wee! I think you're ready for a walk? Years of the memorial site for a child that lost his life here. 2 years ago. I was actually down here in Florence, Alabama. And a terrible event took place. Pink. Pink. Come on, baby. Oh. Look at how big this is, you guys. All the way around it. Woo-wee. Wow. Man, guys, I'm standing right in the middle of it. Oh man, that is major, guy. That is just like a punch. Yeah, directly in the throat. But that ain't no game. Wow, that instantly changed in my view of Mother Nature. Woo-wee. That is insane, you guys. Alright, guys. Peace and love, man. I'm going to cut this off. There's a lot of families coming down here. A beautiful afternoon for a walk. Give you guys a panoramic view of just what's going on. Trying to spin the camera, guys. I'm sorry about the broken continuity. But I literally can't even see my screen right now. The sun is so bright. So me and the Pinky baby are going to say goodbye. Doggy vlog is over at the waterfall. You guys have a blessed day.